Let's make some purses out of old pockets from jeans I upcycled. I made 2 purses. So this first purse, I'm going to take 2 pockets and I'm going to use the darker pockets, and I'm also going to take the waistband off of some old jeans. I made the strap long enough so it can be a crossbody over me. So you just measure to your liking, and I also kept the Levi's patch that was attached to the waist. So once you come up with your strap length, you're going to get your 2 pocket pieces, and you have a few options. You can sew it together on the sewing machine. You can stitch it like a needle and thread, or use some fabric tack glue. You want some really good glue that's going to keep these pieces together, not any cheap fabric glue. And I think fabric tack is really good. Once you put your 2 pieces together, now you're going to get your strap and you will arrange it on your pockets however you see fit. I decided to put one side on the back, one side on the front, and kind of measure it out like this. And again, same thing. You would either sew this down, hand stitch it, or glue it. And really, that is the purse. That's it. I added, for some more security, these little Velcro straps that have adhesive on it that you can just stick it to the inside of your pocket purse, and you use this to close the purse up. So it gives it a little bit more security in the middle, and you don't have to do anything special. And that's it. That's the purse. I think it's so cute. And of course, you can add whatever extras that you want. I really like it because it's very versatile. You can wear it, again, as a crossbody or around your waist like a fanny pack. Okay, so for our next purse, I chose a lighter denim, and I had a scrap of denim left over, which I decided to do some fringing because I want to add a little, razzle dazzle to the purse. So I sandwiched that in between my pockets. I thought about bows, but it made it look too kitty. But I did have some extra leather. This is optional. I have a leather roll, and I sliced it up and made it fringe, and I added 2 pieces of that in the middle of my 2 pieces of pockets, right? So then we have the little denim fringe along with the leopard print. Again, we would be stitching here, or you can add some really good fabric glue. And I wanted a chain belt. I had some leftover chain link, so I used that to just attach to my pocket. You measure this out. If you want this to be crossbody, you can do that, or I just wore it on my shoulder. But that's really it. I had a little bit of extra of this like bling, rhinestone bling here, so I added this on one side and just bedazzled it a little bit. A girl can't have enough bling, you know what I'm saying? You can have fun with this, but I found this to be very cute because it is perfect for things you probably already have some old jeans that don't fit. You can do this. This is such a simple project. Turned out to be so cute to go with my skirt I made last month. So let me know, would you try this? And also, which purse is your favorite? Do you like this one or the first one?